Vous avez choisi? Did you catch that? Because if you're ordering food in Paris, that is the first thing you're going to hear. You sit down, the waiter walks over, he drops a few fast French phrases, and suddenly your mind goes blank. Not because French is difficult, because everything happens fast. And it doesn't stop there. One question, then another, and now they're standing there, waiting, looking at you. And that's when it starts to feel uncomfortable. Because it's not one difficult question. It's a few simple moments that happen quickly. From getting the waiter, to answering, to ordering, to leaving. And if you're not ready for those moments, you freeze. I'm Ben, the real-world French guy. I help you handle these high-pressure situations when someone is standing right in front of you, waiting for an answer. In the last video, we broke down the Paris metro together. But here, you're sitting right in front of someone. There's no pause, no time to think. And that pressure feels very different. So, in this video, I'll guide you through a real restaurant interaction in France, step by step. So when each of these moments happens, you already know what to say. Let's start with the moment most people remember. You're already sitting down, you've been looking at the menu, thinking you still have time, then they come over, look at you and ask, Vous avez choisi? It means, have you chosen? If you're not sure how to read it in French, use the line below to help you sound as French as possible. So this is where things start to feel uncomfortable. Because now, they're not just asking, they're waiting, right in front of you. And suddenly, you feel like you need to decide, fast. Not because they're rushing you, but because it feels like you're holding things up. This usually happens after you've been looking at the menu, or sometimes even sooner than you expect. So what do you do if you're not ready? Very simple. Un moment, s'il vous plaît. One moment, please. Try it with me. Focus on the flow of the phrase. Un moment, s'il vous plaît. One more time. Nice and steady. Un moment, s'il vous plaît. Good. Note that you shouldn't pronounce the first syllable of moment like in English, with two vowels, mo. In French, it's just one sound, mo. Moment. The mistake most travelers make, they feel like they need to answer immediately. You don't. It's perfectly okay to take your time. And this isn't just one situation. You'll hear the same kind of fast questions even before you sit down. In cafes or casual places, you might hear this, and it comes just as fast. Sur place ou à emporter? They'll say it quickly, almost like one word. It simply means, are you eating here or taking it to go? They're not testing you. They're just trying to keep things moving. They ask this all day. And this is where many travelers freeze. Not because it's difficult, but because they didn't expect it. This usually happens right after you walk in, or when you order at the counter, and there's no pause. So how do you answer? Very simple. Sur place, eating here. Or, à emporter, to go. The waiter will ask the question fast, so let's practice your answer. First, eating here. Sur place. One more time. Sur place. Now, to go. À emporter. Once more, focus on the flow. À emporter. That's it. Now you have both options ready. Short, no full sentence needed. And here's the mistake most travelers make. They try to translate every word. You don't need to. You just need to recognize the moment. And this is the pattern you want to notice. It doesn't stop after one question. They keep going. because before you even decided, they ask you something else. Vous prenez une boisson? It means, would you like a drink? And now, you're not just ordering food, you're making decisions, one after another, with no pause in between. This happens almost every time, right after you start ordering. And this is where people start to feel slightly overwhelmed. It's not that it's complicated, it just happens quickly. So how do you answer? If yes, oui, je vais prendre. Yeah, I'll have. In my phonetic system below, ZH stands for the j sound you hear in words like measure or genre. So this j sound, je. If the answer is no, non ça ira. Short, clear, done. This is where most travelers start to overthink, trying to build perfect sentences. You don't need to. Simple answers work best. And just when you start to feel like you're catching up, they ask one last question. Ça sera tout? It means anything else? And this is where many travelers hesitate, because now you start thinking, did I forget something? Should I add anything? Is it enough? And that small doubt slows you down. But in reality, this is just a routine check, nothing more. So how do you answer? If you're done, oui merci, yes thanks. If you want to add something, just continue. One common mistake tourists make is trying to be 100% sure before answering. You don't. Keep it simple. And this is where most people stay stuck, because up until now, you've been reacting to everything they say. But you don't have to stay in that position. You can take control of the conversation. And it only takes one simple sentence. Je voudrais. Je voudrais. Say it calmly. No rush. It means I would like. This is the safest way to order in French. Polite, natural, works everywhere. Say it out loud with me. This is your power sentence. No rush. Je voudrais. One more time. Je voudrais. Perfect. And notice what just happened? Suddenly, you're the one setting the pace. Because now, you're not reacting to questions. You're choosing what to say. Use it when you're ready to order. You simply say, je voudrais, and then the dish. No complex sentences. No perfect grammar. Just this and what you want. For example, je voudrais le steak frites. Or, je voudrais le saumon. And this is the shift. You're no longer guessing. You're part of the conversation. And once you're comfortable with this, there's a slightly more natural way to say it. Je vais prendre. It means I'll have. This is what you'll hear locals use all the time. More direct, more relaxed. Use it when you already know what you want. You simply say, je vais prendre, and then your dish. Je vais prendre le croque-monsieur. Je vais prendre l'omelette. This is just a small upgrade. But if you remember je voudrais, you're already completely fine. And at this point, you already have enough to handle most situations. But what if you're not sure what to order? Instead of guessing, you can shift the pressure away from you. Qu'est-ce que vous recommandez? Qu'est-ce que vous recommandez? It means, what do you recommend? Use it when the menu feels overwhelming, or when you just want something good without overthinking. And this is powerful, because now they lead the way. This is something locals do all the time. Many visitors tend to stay quiet, hoping they choose the right thing. You don't need to do that. Just ask. And this is where everything starts to feel easier, because now you're not carrying the whole conversation. And once you've made your choice, sometimes you don't want something exactly as it comes. And most people think they need full sentences here. You don't. You just need 2 words. Sans, avec, avec. Without, with. Say it when you want to adjust your order. Simple things like sans fromage, without cheese. Avec des frites, with French fries. No long explanation, no complex sentences. And at this point, you can order exactly what you want. But there's something small that makes all of this feel completely natural. And most travelers overlook it. Not because they don't know it, but because they're too focused on what to say next. And it's just two simple words that quietly change the entire interaction. Bonjour. It means hello. And excusez-moi. Excuse me. You probably already know them, but they matter much more than you think. Bonjour, when you start the interaction. Excusez-moi, to get the waiter's attention. That's it. And yet, this is where many travelers get it wrong. Not because they don't know these words, but because they're so busy rehearsing their order in their head, they forget the most important part of French culture, the greeting. And once you have this, there's only one thing left to remove the fear completely. If you remember nothing else from this video, remember this. There's one sentence that changes everything. Je n'ai pas compris. Je n'ai pas compris. It means I didn't understand. This is your safety net. Repeat after me to make sure it's ready when you need it. Je n'ai pas compris. Once more, clear and simple, je n'ai pas compris. Now the pressure is gone. Use it when things move too fast, when you're not sure what they said, when you feel that moment of pressure. Because now you don't need to panic. You don't need to guess. You don't need to pretend. You just say this. And something shifts instantly. The conversation slows down. They repeat, they simplify, they help you. The mistake most travelers make, they stay quiet, they nod, they pretend they understood. And that's when things get more stressful. Instead, say it early, not after things get confusing. And this is the moment everything changes, because now, even if something goes wrong, you're still in control. And once you have this, there's only one final moment left. At the end of your meal, there's one last thing you need to say. L'addition, s'il vous plaît. It means the bill, please. Let's practice the signal you're ready to go. L'addition, s'il vous plaît. Again, with confidence. L'addition, s'il vous plaît. Good. Say it when you're ready to leave. Something many travelers don't expect. In France, the bill won't just appear on your table. So you sit there, waiting, and nothing happens. Instead, just say it clearly. Once, that's enough. And just like that, you've gone through a real restaurant interaction in French. Not random phrases. A real moment, step by step. And now you recognize what happens before it happens. And that's the difference. Most travelers don't freeze because French is difficult. They freeze because they don't know what's coming next. But now you do. So the next time a waiter asks you something in France, you won't freeze. You'll know exactly what to say. But here's the truth most travel videos don't tell you. Knowing these phrases is one thing. Recalling them while a waiter is standing there, waiting, that's a completely different game. Because in that moment, your brain doesn't replay the video, it goes blank. And that's when it starts to feel uncomfortable. Most people realize they need something after they've already frozen. I don't want that for you. So I made this, the French restaurant survival card. It's not just a list, it's a complete map of the interaction. It maps out the exact question waiters will ask you, and it gives you the specific words you need to answer, from how to order your steak exactly how you like it, to navigating the 3-course French menu with confidence. So when the moment happens, you don't think, you just glance at it. It turns your phone into your safety net. No stress, no freezing. Download it below and save it on your phone before you sit down at a restaurant in France.